Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the DVR and confirming the network indicator is stable. This avoids false steps. Next, attach the mouse or use the remote to open the main menu. You need direct UI access. Once in, navigate to System, Device, or Network Settings because most manufacturers place the QR for mobile pairing there. Make sure to pause on the device info page if it appears. The QR often shows only inside a submenu named Mobile, Pairing, or Cloud, so don't skip pages. Once in the right area, look specifically for Mobile App Pairing or Cloud Service. That's the most common QR location. If you don't see it, move to Network or System Info because some firmware nests the QR under advanced headings. Make sure to press any Show, Generate, or Refresh buttons. Many DVRs generate the QR on demand for security. If a camera view blocks it, close Live View. The QR will appear as a static overlay or pop-up, which you can scan with your phone. Finish by scanning the displayed QR with the official mobile app. You should see device ID and a confirmation prompt, Accept to Pair. If the QR never appears or the app rejects it, update the DVR firmware and retry, because outdated firmware often hides pairing features. If problems persist, reboot the DVR and try a different smartphone or the web portal. Sometimes cached app data blocks pairing. One quick tip: toggle the DVR's network off and on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.